Okay, so today you should first, sorry, this is for informational writing. You are on day 4 of note taking, maybe day 3. You should first get out your notes from last week, review your notes, look at what information you have written down for your topic, and then think about what information you still need to gather. So I've been talking a lot about animals, so let's talk about an animal for a minute. Let's say you're researching the ocelot. That's your main topic. It's here in the middle of your screen. You have subtopics. You have diet, habitat, prey, and then you could have one more down here. Let's just say you have other facts. Because I know some of you are gathering information and you're finding just random bits of information that don't really fit somewhere. So you could have just a facts, a general information subtopic. So what you want to do is go through your information, see what you have written down, and as you're taking these notes, single words, little short phrases is enough information. This does not need to be in a complete sentence. So look and see if you have enough information to write a paragraph about each subtopic. So let's say I have a whole bunch of stuff written down about diet, but not very much about habitat or prey. So this week you should focus on the subtopics that you still need to gather more information. So for diet, let's say I'm going to check that off because all of these little squiggles are enough words for me to write a whole paragraph about the diet of an ocelot. If my habitat only has a couple of things, maybe I need 2 or 3 more ideas to write a full paragraph, because remember, you're going to write a full paragraph about each subtopic, as I just stated, which means 4, 5, 6 sentences at a minimum for each paragraph. So enough information to write 4, 5, or 6 sentences, and then we will write introductions and conclusions as well. So today, Monday, and tomorrow at least, you will be gathering information about your topic and subtopics. If you get to a point where you think you are completely done and you have enough information, come see me, show me your notes, and then we can talk about what you're going to do next if you're all done, or I will give you some feedback so that you can finish your note taking with some ideas from me. So take notes. If you think you're done, come and see me. I'm going to post this video for Monday and Tuesday because we're going to take notes for at least that many days. If you have questions, pop into my office hours or go find information about your topic. Thanks.